Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a poster using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened Canva, and there will be two methods you can try to quickly create a poster using Canva. The first one, you can use Canva template, and the second one is using the Canva AI. And you can use both of them to save your time. And I'm going to show you how we can create the poster design with Canva template. Here you can choose templates, and then you can search for the topic of the poster that you want to create. And for example, I'm going to search mental health poster like this, and then there will be a lot of templates that we can use. We just need to choose one of them, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, this one looks aesthetic, and then I'm going to click on customize this template, and then you can edit the template according to your needs guys. You can change the color, and then you can change the content, and then here, for example, I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to choose this one. Oops, or this one. Yeah, like this. And you can edit it as you like. And after you're done, you can click on share and download the poster here. And then the next one, guys, you can use Canva AI. I'm going to go back to the Canva home. Okay, and then you can choose Canva AI and add your prompt here, and I'm going to choose design. Then we can submit the prompt, and the AI will design a poster for us. Okay, the poster is ready, and then you just need to choose one of them, and you can click on the poster that you want to use, and here you can click on Canva editor. If you're still not satisfied with the poster, you can edit it by yourself. You can change the color and then change the font. It's up to you guys. Like this. And okay guys, that's all the way to create poster using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!